Alrighty guys, this is Sean at MarineMax here in Pompano Beach. Do a quick video walkthrough. This boat just got here from the factory. It's a 2019 32 Vantage. This one has the fishing prep station. Gives it a secondary live well. Standard dive door. 32 Vantage, definitely known for a lot of seating. The joystick on this one as well. Electronic sure shade. Hardtop hatches, give you a nice breeze throughout the boat. A changing station down below that converts into a berth. On your starboard side, you got your day head. It's a vacuum flush system. This one does have the bow filler cushion, creates this whole bow area to a big lounge. A windlass anchor, freshwater wash downs up here. Very comfortable family boat. Full beam fiberglass hardtop. I'll give you an overview of the boat. If you guys have any questions, you want to see the boat, please do contact me. My name is Sean Doyle at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Cell 954-579-8956. Thanks, sir.